writing.
What is our class now?
Diary writing.
Diary writing, right? Okay, y'all keep enjoying your snacks, drink some water in between and relax and watch the video. I'm going to show to you about diary writing, okay? See how nicely this girl is expressing herself in her diary, okay? When she's feeling bad, she writes about it. When she's feeling good, she writes about it, okay? So we have done so far 2 classes on diary writing, correct? So I want you to watch this video and understand how you can bring out your emotions and write it in a diary. This girl in the video is just going to write 4 or 5 sentences in every part of her diary that she writes. But watch keenly, this is also a life skill lesson for us, how we talk kindly to others, okay? Yesterday in a life skill class, we were talking about power of apology. Remember? We're all saying how saying a genuine sorry is so important, correct? We watched that, we discussed that yesterday. Now I'm going to show you a video on diary writing. It also involves a bit of how we treat people. Ready? I'm going to put your mics on mute so your will not come when you're eating. The sound of your food eating will not come in the audio, and we can all relax and listen to the video. Just give me a moment. Okay. Yeah, y'all can see the screen. You can see the screen. Just give me a thumbs up. No, you can't see the screen. Can you see it now? Can you see the screen now? Oh, you can't even see it. All right, fine. Let me just stop it and I'll just start it again. Just give a second. Okay. Can you see the screen now? Thumbs up hai kya? Can you see the screen? Okay. All right. Why is it not playing? Okay, it's just going round and round. Just give a second. Maybe it will start. Okay, kids, we'll have to just give it a little time. It's going to start. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Something went wrong. I'll have to just start it all over again. Just give a moment. Sometimes these technology things, no, they take a little longer than we imagine. So wait, my screen is hung now. And I'm not even able to unmute you until then. So wait a second. Wait a second. Yes. Everyone wants to say something. Everybody has a say in everything. Yes, go on.
Ma'am,
Go on. Yes.
I wanted to say the video wasn't working because I saw it was on pause.
No, it had hung. Ruk gaya, and then it was not playing after that. So wait, I'll just try to see how that can work. In the meantime, today is diary writing. During this whole week, has anybody done any amount of diary writing in their books? We've all learned about diary writing. We've all understood diary writing kya hota hai. You think about something, you want to share your experience, and you just want to keep it private, and you only want to put it into your books. You don't want to actually talk about it to anybody, but you feel like your book is your friend, so you write it in that book. Has anybody done any diary writing through the week?
No,
No?
but ma'am, you have given the diary writing. Now I have written that. I will just search for it. Ma'am,
Bolo.
ma'am, can I do something like this today? I can make a diary writing of today and send it to you on the WhatsApp.
Yes, you can definitely do that. No problem. No worries. वो तो जरूर कर सकते हो. Okay. Do you all prefer to keep a diary for yourself, for you to do some writing in it, or you're not very interested in keeping a diary for yourself? What is your thoughts on that?
I am very interested to keep a diary.
Okay, Vihan, are you interested in keeping a personal diary for yourself? Vihan?
You want diary? Yes.
Okay, Tanishka, are you interested in keeping a personal diary for yourself? Oh, she has one. That's so cute. That's called a pocket diary. See? That tiny little diary, that's called a pocket diary.
Ma'am, even I have it. Can I get?
Yes, go get your pocket diary. Show it to us. Yes, Pranav, you're saying? Oh, you also have. Okay, go get it. Wow, that's lovely. That's interesting. I did not know you all had one. Cool, cool, cool. Dikhao, dikhao.
Ma'am, this is my sister's diary. Can I show my diary?
Yes. Wow, Ranveer, that's a nice, cute little pocket diary.
I want to see.
What?
Mine also like that.
Yes. Wow, look, even Pranav has a nice, cute little pocket diary. That's nice.
Ma'am, it is the Cube Work diary. Cube Works.
Yes. Yes, Vihan, you're saying something? Vihan, did you say something? Did you show your diary to us?
I also have a diary.
बताओ बताओ थोड़ा ऊपर उठा के दिखाओ. We can't see it. Oh, cool. That's nice. That's a good one.
One of my friend gave me this on my birthday.
That's nice. Lovely. Okay. So shall we go on to our video now? Looks like it is going to work. Yeah? Shall we start?
Yeah, we can see it.
I can see the screen now.
Yeah.
Dear Diary, my life is the worst. I wish I never moved to this place. I hate being at school. Jessica and her friends are so mean to me. They tease me and pick on me all the time. I just want to keep to myself, but they won't leave me alone. Why did my mum make me come here? It's so unfair. My life was so much better before. Now I'm just scared, sad, and alone. I don't know what to do anymore. Love, Kelly.
She's written all that in her personal diary. She's feeling bad. She's keeping a note. Friends, you can come and hang out with us at the field after school. That is what was written.
Okay, thanks. Dear Diary, today is a much better day. I can't believe it, but Jessica and her friends actually apologized and have been nice to me. They even asked if I wanted to hang out with them after school. I think I finally have some more friends. Maybe moving here wasn't so bad after all. We'll write more later. Love, Kelly.
I don't feel the same as you. Why should I fake it? I don't love you like I used to.
I'm gonna be letting me hang out with you guys. What are you doing?
It's a diary. Stop. Cool, read it out. Let's see what Kelly says about us. Dear Dad, I can't believe that Jessica and her friends are actually being nice to me. They apologize. Oh my god! Daddy, oh my god. Daddy thinks he's wanted to be friends. Did you? No. What? I thought we were getting bored. I'm bored. Are you okay?
Can't let them treat you like that. Have you ever tried flogging?
No.
You should. It really worked for me. I used to get bullied all the time.
What is it?
It's when you kind of agree with what the bully says instead of getting upset or defensive. Yeah, like they used to tell me my glasses made me look like a girl, so I'd say, yeah, true. Yeah, the bully doesn't get the reaction they want and they just give up.
Cool.
How does it feel to have no friends?
It feels fine, thanks.
No shoes.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
You're such a loser.
Well, that's your opinion.
You know nobody likes you. Why does that concern you?
We're not gonna make it. I don't feel
Dear Diary, things are way better now. Matt and Jack were right. Flogging really did the trick. It stopped those girls completely. They had nothing else to say, so they decided being nice was easier. We're all friends now, and I finally feel happy here. Love, Kelly.
Oh, it's a tragic story, but it happens all.
Okay? Watched it? Everyone, have you watched it?
Yes.
Yeah? Does anybody want to watch it one more time? If you haven't understood the language, do you want me to explain to you?
one more time.
One moment.
Mama, I also don't want
No,
It is so sad video.
It's a sad video, no? I know.
Yeah.
It's a very sad video. But in the end, everything came out fine. How did you feel watching that video? Did you understand what they were talking?
Yep. That is modern English.
No, that's an English with an accent from the West. That's okay. Everybody speaks with a different diction. All of us have different version of the language. Why? Because of the other language influences that we have wherever we stay. Okay? That doesn't mean that one way of talking is better than another way of talking, unless manners are different. Okay? Now, Pranav, can you tell me what happened at the start of the video?
Her friends do not take them with her. They beat her.
Okay. All right. Tanishka, what happens after that? Okay, I can't hear Tanishka. Ranveer, what happens after that?
Ma'am, everything comes back to normal, like how she wanted it to be.
Okay. So, Vihan, what was she writing in her diary?
I don't know.
Vihan, she was writing something in her diary. What was she writing?
Hey, Daddy. Hey, Daddy is speaking happy to me when she first time get her friends.
First, she wrote in her diary about feeling very sad around those girls. Why? Because they were always hurting her and not being good friends with her. Then she wrote in her diary that, wow, I'm happy after all that we came back. Finally, I'm having some friends. Then what did those girls do? Their plan was to take her out and actually take out a diary and read it. Now tell me what's right or wrong in that. Is it okay to read somebody else's diary?
No.
Why? Why is it not okay?
Because there can be something personal in that.
Yes, ma'am.
Pranav, what personal things would we write in our diary?
that about her
Ma'am,
You can ask permission for reading diary.
about her imagination.
Ma'am, about our what is there in our life.
That was there, and you should not read that, is it? It's not nice to read others' diary, is it?
yeah, ma'am.
Okay. And after that, when they read it, she really felt bad, right? So what did those two, that one boy and that one girl, they came and said something to this girl. What is this girl's name, first of all?
Ma'am, they both were boys.
Okay, fine. One was a boy, one was a girl. Okay. What is this girl's name? This girl who is writing her diary, what is her name?
Kelly.
Kelly. Right? Okay. So, what did those two friends of hers come and tell her? Hello? Those two people came to the field and told her something when the other girls picked up her diary and saw it. What did they tell her?
Ma'am, can we see the video again and make it out?
Okay, I'll send that video to you for you to see it later. They said that why are you feeling bad? If they are saying something bad about you, just leave it. Say, okay, fine, and move on. What you should not do is listen to unwanted opinion and feel bad about it. They said, because you're feeling bad, वो लोग तुमको थोड़ा और चाबी दे रहे हैं कि तुमको थोड़ा और चिढ़ाते हैं. ये तो चिढ़ती है. उनका ऑब्जेक्टिव है कि तुमको चिढ़ाएंगे और तुम रो रही हो. So they are getting what they want. So what she wrote in her diary after that? Then she said, wow, I'm feeling good after talking to these two boys. Okay, so I'm going to take care of this from tomorrow. She wrote that in the diary. Then what happens? They are going by the side of that wooden railing. These three girls are standing there and they say, you're not looking good. Your shoes are not looking good. It's not nice to have no friends. What did Kelly say? It's okay. How does it matter to you? My shoes, my problem. Don't worry, I'll take care of it. फिर क्या हुआ? उनका मुंह बंद हो गया. उनका मुंह बिल्कुल बंद हो गया. So what did we do? We simply did not allow their opinions to affect us. Correct?
Ignore them.
Then ignore them. Correct. Then she wrote in her diary, wow, I'm after all feeling so good. I did take a good advice and I acted on it. Have you all come across such situation in your life? When someone hurt you and you felt you're feeling alone? Has that happened?
Yes, in school.
Yes, in school it has happened. It has happened. Yes. Oh, why don't you write it in your diary? Okay. I really want you all to do this. Please write that in your diary today. That is your assignment for diary writing today. Exactly how you felt when that incident happened. Right, dear diary? Remember the format I had shown you? Do you remember the format I had shown you?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Ma'am, can we write it in this?
Write it in this means?
Write it in this diary.
Yeah, fine. Sure, write it in your own diary. No problem. Okay? Write it in your personal diaries. No worries. All right? Write it in your personal diaries. See, this is the format that I had given you last time. The date format, it should be written as the particular date with the month and the year in full, the time, and you start writing how you felt about that situation. Okay? Got it? Yeah, Pranav, did you get this? Do you see how you've written this? The date should be written in this format. The time should be written in this format. And then you start writing how you feel. Okay?
Ma'am, if we want to share it, can we?
Yes. Always remember one thing, children. Always remember one thing. When you are happy, you must share it with many people. When you are sad, at that time also share it with people who you think are close to you. As of your age right now, the closest people to you would mostly be your parents or your sisters or your brothers. Okay? Share it with them. When you feel they're making fun of you, stop sharing. Don't feel bad. Remember what Kelly did? She ignored them. She said, you're giving me an opinion about how I should behave and things like that. Sorry, I don't want to hear. Okay? You know what is good. You're old enough to understand what is nice, what is not nice, what is good, what is not good. Right? So when you feel someone's making fun of you, move away from there. You must start making good friendships. People with whom you think you can share. Always share. You don't want to talk and share, write it down. And write it in your lovely little diary. Okay? All right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So today's assignment for diary writing is for you to write this particular school experience that you all said that an experience happened in school where you felt bad. You should definitely write it in your diary. If you want to share it, definitely send a photo of that assignment in the WhatsApp group. Diary writing is one class where wanting to share the assignment or not is entirely your choice. You want us to read it, you can send it to us on the WhatsApp group. Only teachers will read it. None of your friends will read it. Okay? You don't want to share diary writing in the WhatsApp group, it's up to you. We respect that. Okay? All right?
Let's go to maths.
2-minute water break and now we go to maths. Come on, 2-minute water break and we go to maths.
So math, what we